On this week's episode, we would be wheeling the Gladiator on some of the hardest obstacles Tahuya has to offer. It was a ton of fun. I also got to wheel with the Mammoth Overland trailer. If that is something you want to see, let me know in the comments.
What are we doing? What are we doing today?
Hi guys.
Well, hey, what's up, guys?
So, Dusty just got here. He has a sick Gladiator. I think we're gonna go check out Yellow Jacket Hill, see if we can get up that, and then maybe try Sasquatch Bluff. Hopefully not break anything. That's kind of been the theme of this trip, damaging everything we own.
We swamped my Tundra on accident, and we lost a drone in a pond, and Taylor here lost a tail light. So yesterday was a rough day. The truck started this morning, so that's good. It sputtered a little bit. I think that after running it for a while, everything's gonna be just fine. I think it's gonna be just fine. Oh, you showing him all the parts you bought yesterday?
It's so funny because he's like, yeah, Iron Man 4x4, blah, blah, blah. They have the foam cell, and I'm like, come here. He just brought it up.
The whole back seat's full of parts.
Oh, yeah. But if you look in the forums, like, Iron Man 4x4 is like, everyone, like, their suspension's sick.
That's the lift kit we just ordered from.
There it is.
Oh my god, it looks terrible in the daylight. We should have ran it at night. That looks terrible.
Looked a lot easier at night.
I'm scared.
I don't want to break down, dude. I've had enough problems on this trip.
No, I understand. This Jeep's a piece of shit. I'm probably gonna die in it, and I'm still gonna send it.
Full send gentlemen.
Full send gentlemen. Last night I was thinking, that's terrible. But I think like just hugging that corner, you know, because that was the log that you used to have to climb over. You have to remove that. But dude, I think the worst of it's just kind of right here. It's not too bad.
Long story short, I don't end up making it up Yellow Jacket Hill. I could have likely forced it. I could have bumped it pretty aggressively. I have had success on this obstacle a few years ago in a Bronco 2 on 37s. A Gladiator on 40s with stock Advantech axles isn't something you want to bump on rock. Plus, I had another harder obstacle in mind. The Gladiator is such a long vehicle for obstacles like this. Though completely possible, this obstacle has been changed over the years and is much more difficult than it used to be.
I don't know if you guys can see, but that rock underneath his belly is just, it's in a really bad spot. So there's that one you can see, and then there's another one that size, like right underneath your belly.
Yeah.
Just, the Jeep's just sitting on
And
it.
it's followed him all the way from up here.
Yeah.
We just kill a lot of time doing this. We could just go on a cool little trail.
Yeah, the rest of the trail.
Yeah.
Are you gonna try it with yours?
He can't make it, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah, no front locker.
Yeah. That's my problem.
Oh, oof, yeah.
Downside of the Mojave. Reinforced frame, but no front locker.
If I like took the time, and I'm not going to, but like I'd have to literally like winch some of these boulders out of my way. And, like drag that one down.
Well, so when you were here,
Yeah.
if you didn't have that rock centered up perfectly with your diff, we could have winched up.
Right.
But then we risk dragging your diff across a
Yeah.
boulder.
Yeah. I want to go LS 42s and 1 tons, and it would be just a monster. Just, just crazy.
You just throw the boulders down the hill.
There he was.
I know, he was. That one right there was really just giving you all your trouble right
That
there.
one?
Yep, it's just following around.
Yeah, I mean, you dragged it from up here, and then the other one from down there.
So what does failure taste like?
Oh, I'm going back up.
I'll be back to tackle that hill another day. Jesse, Max, and I continued onward. We were in search of Sasquatch Bluff. From what I have been told, the hardest obstacle at Tahuya. I don't know why I thought I'd be able to make it up that after failing on Yellow Jacket, but I certainly was going to try.
Dude, you gotta grab your linens.
What? Oh, Jesse, you forgot your panties. Did you see that?
Grab your linens. Perfect opportunity. There's like a nice little natural flex ramp here, and I challenged Taylor to see how far he can get up it.
Right on. What? Great.
Dude. Yeah, it's your back tire, back driver's tire hit a stump. Yeah. Wow, no way. Oh my gosh, dude.
Alright, you're about to fall off.
That's crazy.
I didn't feel like I'm flexing on the calf.
Yeah, your cab's like, but the whole thing's just twisted up.
Oh wow.
And I thought you were gonna make it to those sticks.
You're pretty close.
But I was about to fall off. You said.
Well, yeah, because your back tire's starting to come on.
Like that, dude, I can flex so much more. My back tire's not even off the ground.
Really?
Yeah. Like the ability is not rolling.
This is insane.
But you slid, like, this whole part right here, you just slid. Yeah. You have the good one. Can't go stay around there.
Wow.
You're not rubbing that much.
No, it's just when it turns.
Yeah.
So those, you're right, those fenders, I'll be good.
Yeah.
100%. I mean, it's at my head.
Dude, it's like almost 5 feet tall.
What did you say? Can't hear you over my screaming power steering pump. Yeah! 40s!
That's crazy, dude. It helps me understand all the comments I get in my comment section. Like where I think it's cool with my little Tacoma going over little logs, and people are like, this is and I'm like, what do you mean? It's hard for this truck. Now I realize it's because these things just walk on everything.
That's pretty cool. I honestly thought that I was gonna be like, because in the cab it feels so flat.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy looking.
Since this trip, I have upgraded my steering to the Apex chassis, flipped 2.5 ton kit. I have even more flex now and have since been back to this natural flex ramp. You'll see the difference in a video to come. My inner fender was completely mangled at this point. Time for a little trail mod. These have since been replaced with aluminum inner fenders and KBD high clearance fenders.
It's mods. She's doing some trail mods.
She's in there pretty good. She's gonna. It's almost like I need a big maxed out bodybuilder guy to yard this out.
Love it. Burn here.
I was gonna sell these.
Slightly used.
Huh? Up there. I know. Oh, it's caught on the. Alright, back to the flex frame.
More air ventilation too.
Yeah, a little more ventilation.
The rig should run a lot cooler now.
Right.
All right, so we made our way over to Sasquatch. That's this obstacle in front of me. It's probably the biggest and gnarliest rock pile around here, especially in this area, but definitely at Tahuya. And I have seen a Gladiator on 40s do it. I filmed it on my channel a while back ago, and I told Taylor about that, and now he thinks he wants to give it a try. And I told him that the dude that did it did not pull winch. I don't think he did. Yeah, he really didn't, but everyone else did. So, and that took a while. It was also in the rain. So I think he'll have honestly, this is right in the sun. I think he'll have a really, really easy time with it. Maybe not an easy time. I kind of take that back. I think he'll have a better time at it than we did. But these rocks are bigger and flatter, and a lot more to grip up on. I don't think it'll really hang him up too bad. You think you got this though?
I think I got it. We walked it. I think there's a line in here that I can avoid my diffs and everything with.
Nice. All right. And it's nice and dry.
It is dry. Dry rock, baby.
He said it's the last try before the winch, so. Oh, it's right there. Oh, that's it, yeah! Oh! Sick, dude. Wow. Nice work.
Oh, you, bro.
That was awesome.
Of the spotter. Oh my.
Nicely done.
I'm done trashing for today.
And that will end our trip to Tahuya. We had a blast, and I am itching to come back and get up Yellow Jacket Hill. Thank you so much for watching. If you think we've earned it, please consider subscribing. We will see you on the next one.